Let me guess, you've tried every manifestation technique out there, but nothing's working. Here are the 3 hidden blocks I see in 90% of my clients that I've also worked through myself. The third block will shock you. First, you're not reprogramming your nervous system. Writing affirmations isn't enough if your body is still in survival mode. The quick fix: cold showers or breath work before manifesting. Second block, you're manifesting from your wounded self. If you're calling in abundance but deep down feel unworthy, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. The solution? Inner child work and reprogram your subconscious mind before manifesting. And the third block. This will shock you. Your house ain't clean. Literally, an unclean home or space creates energetic blockages. It can also be reflective of the clutter in your mind, which also blocks manifestations. Remember when they said cleanliness is next to godliness? That applies here. The solution is easy. Clean your damn house and keep it clean. Let the good energy flow. I guarantee that you'll see and feel the difference in your manifestations. For more tips on spirituality and wellness, give me a follow.